Welcome back, bookworms. This is Mrs. K. I'm glad you could join me. I love looking at the stars, and I am fascinated by the planets and exploring our solar system. I even hope to go to outer space someday. I bet some of you would like to do that too. In our story today, a majestic creature, a humpback whale, decides he wants to explore the stars, and with a flip of his mighty tail, he leaves the ocean and goes exploring. Let's enjoy the magic of reading as we read together The First Starwhale, written and illustrated by Christine Sima, and see what our star whale learns about our solar system.
There once was a whale with a mighty strong tail who dreamed of the stars in the sky. Down in the sea, he said with a plea, "I want to fly to the stars." His family heard his cry, and with a great sigh, he heard them loudly proclaim, "Your tail is strong, and so is your song. You can fly to the stars if you want. But we aren't as strong. We can't come along. Be sure to find your way home." So with a flip of his tail, he soared up and sailed from the sea to the stars and beyond. He looked down through the clouds at the mountains and towns, so tiny and far down below. Continuing on with a bright, cheery song, he sang to the stars as he flew. Past Venus to Mercury, he learned quite early the sun was a beautiful view. But the sun was so hot, and he had a great thought to explore all the universe too. Back to Mercury in a great hurry, he said hello and goodbye. The small, dense planet was always in transit, only 88 days round the sun. Venus was next, with its light orange flecks and tall volcanic plains. Second from the sun, but second to none, how he wished his mother could see. Next came home the earth that we roam, with its bright blue, beautiful sea. Some strange things in the sky he saw passing by, like a little man inside a spaceship. He waved as he went to Mars with a flip, fourth in the solar system. Just past Mars, among the stars, sat the bustling asteroid belt. Without any delay, he kept on his way onto Jupiter, Saturn, and more. Jupiter was grand, but didn't have much land, just hydrogen and helium gas. The largest of all, a giant gas ball with so many colors to see. On the other hand, Saturn was fanned by rings of rocks, ice, and dust. Uranus was next, constantly vexed by ice clouds and cold, frozen weather. On to Neptune he flew to see its blue hue, the last in our large solar system. But farther stranded was a little dwarf planet, poor Pluto, out in the cold. It was lonely out here, and Earth wasn't near. His family was so far away. So the mighty whale turned his great tail, making his way back home. In a great hurry, he went on his journey, swimming past planets and stars, passing Pluto, Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, to Earth. Back in the sea, he felt such glee to be with his family and friends. Though he loved outer space, it could never replace his home in the deep blue sea. Well, bookworms, if you enjoyed the First Starwhale, be sure to check it out at your local library or buy a copy for yourself from your favorite bookstore. If you enjoyed this Read Aloud video, please give it a thumbs up and become an official bookworm and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy the magic of reading.